If you suspect that your Shopify account has been compromised or you are unable to access it due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Shopify login page. Go to the Shopify login page at www.shopify.com. Enter your email address and attempt to log in. If you cannot access your account, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Reset your password. Click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Enter your email address to receive a password reset link. Check your email and follow the instructions to create a new password. Step 3. Enable two-step authentication. Once you regain access, navigate to your account settings. Enable two-step authentication for added security. This will require a verification code in addition to your password when logging in. Step 4. Review account activity. Check your account activity for any unauthorized transactions or changes. Look for unfamiliar apps or changes to settings that you did not make. Report any suspicious activity to Shopify support. Step 5. Contact Shopify support. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you can help ensure the security of your Shopify account and regain access if needed. Always remember to keep your login information secure and monitor your account regularly.